Welcome back to the Watch Review, folks, and here we have a special watch. It's a Hamilton pocket watch from the early 1900s. This is a fantastic example of the Hamilton Watch Company when it was at its best and top. They made the top of the line pocket watches and also wrist watches, but this is a unique piece right here. As you can see, it has a hunting aspect to it. You got the geese, the ducks flying around, and it's just a beautiful scenery. As you can see, the second hand is at the 6 o'clock position. This is just a beauty. You see the ducks flying, and then in the back of it you have the railroad, the train. And the detail of this thing is just amazing. You really can't really know how beauty it is. In a video you can see it, but once you see it live, it's just unbelievable. And then I'm going to take the back off so you can see the mechanism. Look at that. Look at what a beautiful mechanism that is. That's a 17 jewel high grade Hamilton Watch Company mechanism, and it's in perfect running order. We just had it serviced. This is the back of the case right here, and it says nickel. It's a nickel case, but look at that mechanism, folks. Look at the detail on that thing. This watch is gonna go up for auction. Starting most likely in a couple of days. I'll put a link in the description in the comments. This is a true collector's item, true collector's watch, a beauty, really a one-of-a-kind beauty, something that stands the test of time. This is just a fantastic timepiece. This watch is gonna be on sale on Etsy in a couple of days. I will put the link in the subscription the description and the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and till we see you next time.